What's going on, everyone? Today we are taking a look at the Ecovacs T90 Pro Omni. From its instant self-washing OZMO Roller to its very powerful 30,000 PA suction power, this is definitely one of the best robot vacuums on the market. Taking a look at some of the specs, this has a new OZMO Roller 3.0 self-cleaning mop, blast airflow with a powerful suction power of 30,000 PA, Zero Tangle 4.0 anti-tangle technology, and much more as well. So if you happen to be shopping for a robot vacuum, stick around and I'll be going over everything that makes this one of the best ones on the market. All right, so taking a look at the robot itself, as you can see, it's definitely a nice and sleek looking unit. And I love everything on here is a matte color, as you could touch it and it's not going to get fingerprints like a lot of other units. Looking at the docking station, the entire thing is also matte except for these nice chrome accents here along the top and the logo as well. Coming up top, you have your separate clean and dirty water tanks. And then coming right here in the middle, this front cover pops off. And behind that, you have your auto dust collection bag. And then right next to that, you have your cleaning solution, as the dock does automatically dispense that cleaning solution for you. And as you can see here, they do include that cleaning solution with the robot as well. Besides the basics I just went over, the station also has a ton of different features, which I'll be going over later in the video. All right, so when it comes to mopping, this has their OZMO Roller 3.0, which is an instant self-cleaning roller. So instead of spreading dirt from one area to another, this makes sure you always have a fresh and clean mop. How this works is the robot has a scraper and 16 nozzles inside which deliver fresh water to the mop while it's cleaning. And as the mop rolls, it scrubs and pulls all the dirt into the vacuum rather than smearing it around like a traditional mop. Again, definitely one of the best features on this robot that really separates it from everything else out there. This is a high density nylon roller that actually spins at 200 RPM while applying 10 newtons of downward pressure. So besides regular cleaning, it can actually scrub and remove more stubborn stains as well. Last but not least, as you can see here, this is a very large 27 centimeter roller, which is around 50% larger than most other rollers. Up next, this robot also has the ability to intelligently detect mess types and change its cleaning strategy depending if it's a wet or dry mess. So again, unlike other robots, this isn't just driving over everything and hoping for the best, but instead cleaning in a smarter and more intentional way. As I said earlier, this has a very powerful suction power of 30,000 PA, but it also has what they call blast technology. This has a very high 18 liters of airflow, which they say gives you a 140% boost in fine dust removal and a 262% boost in hair removal on carpets. So in the end, this is going to give you a much better deep cleaning performance compared to most other robots. This robot also has True Edge 3.0, which is a dynamic edge cleaning technology. As you can see here, the mop can mechanically move and extend 1.5 centimeters past the robot. Compared to any other vacuum on the market, this is going to give you much better cleaning coverage along walls, corners, and other tight spaces as well. If you've owned a vacuum of any kind, you'll know that a common problem is hairs getting stuck on the roller and having to manually remove them yourself. But with this robot, that is not something you'll have to worry about, as this has their Zero Tangle 4.0. This is an anti-tangle system that automatically removes the hairs for you. I've been using this robot for a few weeks now, and this definitely works very well. As advertised, anytime I check the roller or side brush, it's been completely clean without any hairs on it. Another feature I really like on this robot is its power boost technology. So typically when I run a robot vacuum, I do it at a time where I don't mind it moving around the house. But sometimes the vacuum dies in the middle of the clean, which leaves me with two options. I could either stop the vacuum and leave some of the house uncleaned, or two, I could let it charge and resume in an hour or two when it isn't as convenient. As I said earlier, this has power boost technology, which definitely solves that issue. So unlike other robots, this one actually charges while it's emptying and cleaning itself at the dock. And in that small 3-minute window, the robot will actually gain up to 10% of the battery, whereas other robots will be draining more battery at that time. Thanks to this technology, the robot is able to clean up to 1,000 square feet without any interruptions. Up next, this also has their TruePass adaptive 4-wheel drive climbing system. Under the robot, this has mechanical climbing levers that automatically activate when an obstacle is detected, and these allow you to cross up to 4 centimeters, which includes sills, rugs, thresholds, and more. Definitely a very cool feature that lets this vacuum enter and clean areas where other vacuums would simply get stuck. Last but not least, this also has their AV3D 4.0 obstacle avoidance system, and this is definitely one of the best on the market as well. This uses multiple different sensors to scan the room in real time and very quickly responds to anything in its way. Unlike a lot of cheaper vacuums, this one does not bump into anything and instead goes around everything very smoothly. Taking a look at the Omni Station, this thing has a ton of features, so you have a lot less maintenance to do. This has a auto empty dustbin, automatic mop cleaning with pressurized hot water, auto hot air drying for the mop, and it automatically dispenses cleaning solution to the robot as well. If all of that wasn't enough, this also takes things a step further by fully flushing out all the water and grime in the dirty water collection system. All of this works together and prevents odors and bacteria by keeping everything clean and dry. Definitely a very good station that makes owning this robot a very hands-free and maintenance-free experience. Last but not least, while this does work with Google or Alexa, this vacuum also has its own AI cleaning assistant called Agent Yiko. This can assist you with adjusting settings and creating customized cleaning routines, which in the end makes using this robot a lot easier. Overall, this is definitely a great robot vacuum. It feels well made, it's packed with a ton of features, and most importantly, it does a great job at cleaning. So all in all, if you happen to be shopping for a robot vacuum, I would highly recommend this one here, which again is the Ecovacs T90 Pro Omni. If you would like to purchase or get more information, I'll also have the link in the description as well. All right, well, that about wraps up this video. As usual, if you have any questions at all, feel free to drop me a comment and let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.